Alright, welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian. Welcome to English with Adrian, helping you master English and discover the world. So, let's look at the comma. This little flick here. Nice little flick. At the bottom of the words. So, we use it to make lists. A list when we're talking about things. I need bread, butter, milk, chocolate, honey, tea, coffee and beyond. I need bread, comma, butter and milk. I need bread, chocolate, water and coffee. We use and at the end of a list. I need bread, comma, coffee, comma, chocolate, comma, milk, comma between each thing in the list. We need who is coming to the party? Tom, James, or Tom, comma, James, comma, Stephen, comma, Adam, comma, Tony, and before the last part, and me. Who's coming to the party? Tom, James, Steve, Adam, Tony, and me. And. So a list, when talking about things we need. Something, comma, something, comma, something, and last one. But we also use a comma for when a topic changes in a sentence. I have an idea. I have an idea. An idea. Comma. But. I need time. I need to get ready. I have an appointment, so I have to be there early. You have to learn English, so watch more videos. Why did you say that? Comma, I want to know. Even with a question. Why did you say that? Why did you say that? I want to know. When did that happen? It makes no sense. When did that happen? Makes no sense. Why did you go there? Why did you go there? It makes no sense. But we can also use it to link two sentences or clauses together. It will start tonight, comma, after the party. It will start tonight. It will start after the party. Often these two clauses, these two sentences can be connected with like a who, when, why, because, how, where, things like that. Who, what, where, when, why, how. It will start tonight because of the delay. It will start tonight when I open the door. It will start tonight. However, but, however, it might be late. We might be delayed. I will come, I'll be there, comma, when I have time. I have time. I will go to Mexico when I'm ready. They will come here when it's time. When we're open. They will open the shop when, how, where, with, who. They will open the shop when they like. They will open the shop, comma, when they like. Yeah. So we can use it for lists. When we list things, A, B, C, D, A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, and D. The last thing, we have an and before the last thing. I need bread, butter and milk. Very good. Our topic changes. I have an idea. I have an idea. Comma, but. 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 Linking two sentences together. It will start tonight after the party. Comma, after the party. How cool is that? So, if you want to keep learning more English, then subscribe to the channel below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.